Welcome to today's video, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the Genesis NITRO 890 G2. This is a G2 version, well, basically a Generation 2 or version 2 version of the older NITRO 890, which is kind of logical, right? It states in the name. So today we're going to take a look at that share, since unfortunately I didn't have the chance to take out and assemble and test out the version 1, but I have a clear picture of what are we going to talk about today. So first of all, it's not a leather. It's not a leatherette. It has pure breathable fabric, and this is what I personally prefer. And what to say? I mean, you don't get sweaty. That's the most important thing while having those long gaming sessions, enjoying, I don't know, if you're watching movies or gaming on your console or whatever you're doing. It just makes sense to have fabric than leather, but that's my personal opinion. You have your own, and I'm going to leave it at that, of course. But let's check it out. I mean, this is a cool chair because it has some functions that you guys will definitely love. So as you can see right here on the table, you have a backrest, neck rest, or however you want to call it, which has this nice plush, is it plush or velour, or how is it called? Material, and then we have fabric, Genesis logo here, and of course the elastic strap to place it on top. Then you get the Allen key, Allen wrench, whatever, get some Genesis stickers, and you get instruction manual. Now, you might think that this instruction manual is too simple to assemble, but it definitely is, because as you've seen from the first part of the video, there's no much fuss about it. You place the casters on the 5-star metal base, and then you just simply continue how it goes according to the manual. It's really straightforward, right? Now let's check out some specs, because we have those, even with the chair. So as already stated, it is an improved version. We have breathable fabric, we have adjustable lumbar support, 3D armrest. Unfortunately it's not 4D, but it's still okay. Multi-block mechanism. Now, let's start with the backrest. The Genesis NITRO 890 G2 has the ability to allow you to maintain the correct position of your back, and even, let's say, a bit force it in a more natural position. So you can adjust it on the side and push the back towards the front or the back, depending on your ideal position of your back. So you can find that comfortable position while gaming or doing whatever you're doing. The backrest has that built-in lumbar adjustment, which you can adjust depending on your body structure with the knob right here on the side, and just go from plus to minus or vice versa to adjust it properly. Also, the important thing when we're talking about the chair in general, it's a bit wider, and we'll get to the complete measures later on, but it is a bit wider. Now, the only thing that I'm personally missing is the actual those side cushions that you have on your legs and on your back here. That kind of, I mean, you're not driving, to be honest, let's put it this way. You're not driving, you're not going anywhere, but it kind of feels cooler. I don't know, I'm just used to those, so just stating that. We have a metal base, which is 5-arm, all metal. Comparing to some other plastic ones, this is definitely something that they improved for durability and, let's say, endurance, ensuring trouble-free that your chair will last much longer. And because of it, you can definitely count on the stability of the chair, but also it kind of won't flex. Let's put it this way, the chair won't flex. When we take into consideration the casters, now you remember the chair that I did a couple of weeks ago or something like that, and I was complaining about the casters. These are totally different. We have 60mm Scare Glide coated wheels, which literally help you move quite easy, and it's really fluid. This is the cool thing, because they're a bit silent, more silent than others, what I've noticed so far, and you can glide on the surface without any problems. Now let's check out the material. The chair is made out of abrasion-resistant fabric and high-quality eco-leather on the back and on the bottom of the chair. So you don't confuse what I said, it's breathable fabric. It has it on the back and it has it on beneath your seat or above the base. Let's put it this way. So it kind of, they decided to do it like that, so they ensure durability and adequate ventilation in all conditions. And these parts will definitely look, let's say, as they did first day. Let's put it this way, because you're not sitting on the back side, you're not sitting on the bottom side of the chair, and this leather part, leatherette or whatever it is, it won't get ruined after some time. Now the backrest upholstery material is fabric plus eco leather. Seat upholstery is also fabric and eco leather. Base material is metal, and casters are made out of nylon with Care Glide coating. The whole construction is metal. We have recommended height 170 to 200 centimeters. Acceptable weight on the chair is 150 kilos. We have headrest, which is a pillow. Armrest adjustment is 3D, so you can push it forward, backward, rotate it, and lower it down or raise it up. Now let's get to those dimensions that I mentioned. The height of the armrest is 28 to 36 centimeters. Seat height adjustment 47 to 53 centimeters. It has lumbar adjustment. Backrest tilt angle is 160 degrees. It has rocking function with a lock. We have multi-block chair mechanism in a frog shape, and gas lift is class 4. Seat depth is 52 centimeters. Seat height is 56.5 centimeters, and the inner seat height is 35.5 centimeters. Backrest height 56.5 centimeters. Inner height of the backrest 32 centimeters. Backrest height 84.5 centimeters, and the chair height in general is 127 to 134 centimeters. In the including accessories, when we talk about it, as I already stated, you get the instruction manual, headrest cushion, and some stickers. So to unlock it, you have a lever on the left side, which you can definitely rock on it, or I don't know how to say that, but yeah, this is it. This is far as you can go when we're talking about rocking, and you can lock it up in a position that you wish. So you can lock it, I think you can lock it here. Yeah, you can. Wow, cool. So okay, this was a surprise. So when you're rocking and you want to lock the chair into a certain position, then when you want to unlock it, you do need to push it backward a bit because it's locked in that position, and even if you remove and rotate the lever, it won't budge because you have to push it backwards, release it, and then you'll be able to get back. Now this is the position that you could go. So I said, whoa, okay. I think in this position, sorry about this guys, but in this position I think it would be quite good that you, let's put it back, that you disable the rocking, just in case you get, I don't know, overexcited and you want to lean back and enjoy rest. I don't know what you want to do guys, but just in case you don't flip over. I mean, I'm not quite sure if you can flip over. Let's see. Okay, this will be, okay, this is the rocking. Sorry guys, I had to try it right in front of the camera because then you'll see what's real, right? So the rocking plus heading backwards is possible, but be careful, just in case. It's not about the chair, it's just about, I think, person's weight, the speed of leaning back, and will the weight just bounce you over. It shouldn't, but just in case, be careful. As already stated, it's not about the chair. And then we have on the right side, we have another lever that helps you do, let's see, sorry, raise the chair up and you can lower it down. Quite cool. As you can see on this side, we have the knob. I think you can't see it, but from the close-up you can. You have the knob to adjust the backrest, and it's quite cool because it kind of pushes your back forwards if you desire to do so like that, and gives you more, let's say, a natural position of your back, because after all we do have to have our back in a S shape. So yeah, there's that. The neck rest, as you already know from earlier videos when I was reviewing chairs, I don't use the pillows in general for the backrest, but some of you guys might find it handy or more comfortable while using them. So yeah, there's that. The chair, when we're talking about the seating position, is a bit stiffer than, I don't know how to compare. So my old 7-year-old AK racing chair, K7000 something, I can't even remember the name, which I removed, as you already know, was much softer, and this one is a bit stiffer when we're talking about the sitting position. And here at the back, it's quite alright. I won't complain about the backs. So the the seat is stiffer, but it's again all about your personal preferences. I can't say it's stiffer and it's not good, or it's stiffer so it's quite outstanding. It's all up to you to decide. I can't decide instead of you guys, so this is the factor that you'll have to think about. But all in all, it's quite comfortable. I am missing the side parts here for the legs and for the sides here for the back, which just kind of, I don't know, they like, it looks like the chair is hugging you, just like that. You're not driving in a sports car or anything similar to that, and you won't flip over a chair, so you need those, okay? So don't get me wrong. But it's quite nice, I don't know, addition to the chair. All in all, nice chair, solid price. I do have to say, I think it's 280 euros or something like that, which is quite cool when we take into consideration the material, the fabric on the chair, the quality of the casters, the base, frog-shaped rocking possibilities. Everything's here. So guys, I have nothing left to say. Oh, you get the stickers. I did mention that, but I just want to point it out again. So yeah, there's that. Link for the Genesis Nitro 890 G2 is in the description below, so you can check it out and eventually grab it yourself if you desire to do so. And that'll be all for today. New to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and click the notification bell, and hopefully guys, I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.